Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of I2C communication and we will be demonstrating how to control the LED on the Arduino Mega from an Arduino Uno using just a few wires. Let's get started. You can see this is Arduino Mega and this is Arduino Uno. Both are connected with SCL and STA lines. So here we have Arduino Uno acting as a master and Arduino Mega acting as a slave. We will be using a push button. This you can see a push button I'm using here, which is connected on pin number 6. Here is you can see this is pin number 6. It is connected on pin number 6. On the Uno control the onboard LED on the pin number 13 on the Mega. On the Mega you can see here is the onboard LED. See here onboard LED which I am controlling from the Uno through the serial wire. So I2C or integrated circuit is a serial communication protocol that allows multiple devices to communicate with each other using just few wires: SDA serial data and SCL serial clock. You can see here yellow and orange line which is connecting here pin number 20 and 21, and on the Uno it is on A4 and A5. Okay, here one more thing I can tell you. Normally if you are using this one you need minimum 4.7k ohm resistor connecting to the SDA and one to the SCL and connecting to the 5 volt. But I checked the documentation in the Uno and the Mega. It is already internally it is connected. I can show you by the meter. When I check by the meter, it is true. It is showing internally. If you connect one wire of the meter with the SCL or SDA and otherwise with the 5 volt, and you check the volt resistance, it is about 16 to 17 kilo ohm resistor is there. It is a perfect for application where you need to connect multiple sensors or peripherals to the microcontroller. Now let's talk about the wiring. You will need to connect the A4 on Uno SDA cable which is connected here. You can see A4 is connected with orange color, and on the Mega with pin number 20 it is written here STA. Okay, then same as SCL on the Mega pin number 21, and on the Uno you can see A5. A5 is connected. Also these boards are having here SCL and STA. You can connect here also, but it is nearby, that's why I connected. Also I checked by the meter, both are the same. You can connect anywhere. And also we need to connect the ground pin which is there. You can see one ground pin is there, and I can show you here ground pin is connected with both ports. And also positive supply also I give here. If even you remove one power USB from the computer, also it is working. Now I will show you the code. Now you can see the code. Here you can see wire begin transmission, and wire right and wire end transmission. So in between, uh, I am sending the wire right, that is the button state, sending data 0 or 1, and on the master that is Mega code, you can see the screen wire begin address, wire on receive, and after that digital write, that means it will write to the LED. On the Mega we are initializing the wire library as a slave with a specific address. We use wire on receive to handle incoming data, then use digital write to control the LED. Now let's see it is in action. When I press the button on the Uno, the LED on the Mega turns on, and when I release LED off. Simple as that. So that how you can use the I2C communication to control the LED on the Arduino Mega from the Arduino Uno. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Arduino tutorials. Thanks for watching.